We're going to learn to play the Idols song Hymn, standard tuning. I believe they are in drop D tuning. And we're going to talk about some more accessible ways to play it. Like if you just want to play it on your acoustic guitar. The chords in the song are B minor, G, that's kind of the rhythm. Alright, and so we're going to just talk about a bunch of different ways to play that. I believe what they're playing on the recording is this B minor shape at the 14th fret. And then they go to the G, and then to the D. So they're not playing exactly this, but that would be an easy way to kind of emulate what they're doing, having to play it. That's B minor, then it goes to G, and then to D. Here's another way to play it that might be, and what I would try to do is mix this all up, mix it all up. There is B minor here at the 7th fret. If you just put your finger over the first 3 strings, 1, 2, 3, that's part of this B minor chord. Then G is right here. If you play a D shape, like this D, if you take that up to the 7th fret, that's a G. And then we have to go find a D, and we have a D up here at the 7th fret. Using our A shape, we're going to just slide that up to the 7th fret. So that's a pretty convenient way. Yeah, and you can play around with like adding notes and taking off notes. Like you don't want to just play it straight. You don't want to just be. So what I was kind of working around, trying out was like doing a kind of taking my pinky off of the B minor chord. And let's see, for the G, you could just like maybe like try to put your middle finger on the B string. You just play around like that and do some different kind of things for like atmosphere. But the main riff of the song is B minor. I love the lyrics to this song. So that's just a quick little lesson on how to play it in standard tuning a bunch of different ways. So thanks for watching. Bye.